Taiwan's storm of COVID infections experienced a lull on Thursday, with authorities reporting 0 new cases linked to Taoyuan's hospital cluster. Despite the calm, officials are in a race against time to limit the spread of the contagion. The city government has tracked down more than 1,100 people who spent prolonged time in Taoyuan General Hospital after January 6th. The Central Epidemic Command Center says these people will need to undergo home isolation or self-health management based on their level of infection risk.
The postman arrives at Taoyuan General Hospital in a full-body protective suit, gloves and a face mask. He's wrapped up tight in PPE as he drops off parcels on the first floor, rather than the usual place in the basement mailroom.
Going down to the basement is less safe for our mail delivery workers, so we urgently coordinated with the hospital and moved the mailroom to a relatively open and empty space in the hospital.
Outside the hospital, chemical warfare troops carry out disinfection for the 3rd straight day. Inside the hospital, the lobby is noticeably emptier, the atmosphere tense.
Taoyuan
General Hospital accepted its first case of COVID-19 last year on January 21st. Thursday marks 1 year since it entered service as a frontline hospital, taking cases from the nearby airport. At one point, the hospital was hit with more than 30 confirmed patients in one day.
Since the pandemic began, we at Taoyuan General Hospital have admitted about 160 cases. In other words, out of every 5 infected patients, 1 of them was sent to our hospital.
To curb community spread, the CECC is digging deeper into contact tracing. Taoyuan's health department has drawn a list of patients and their family members who visited the hospital since January 6th. They will all be placed in home isolation.
My colleagues worked overtime through the night. Yesterday, all the lights were on at the Department of Public Health. We plan to isolate more than 1,100 people uncovered in contact tracing. They will all have to complete home isolation. This is a task of great weight, and we will complete it quickly.
A COVID outbreak has struck, and Taoyuan is at the center of the storm. Mayor Zheng said the city will take a multi-pronged approach to prevent the epidemic from spreading.